Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nima and I'm the owner of Pretties by Nay. And in today's video, we are going to do a short tutorial on how to size your nails using a sizing kit. So for those of you that have never bought personal nails before and you're wondering what is my size, because that is the biggest question, I really recommend to get a sizing kit from whoever you're buying your nails from. So let's say on my website, I have these sizing kits and this is how they will come. They just have like all the nails in my box that I have the nails from, so they range from 0 to 10. Some may range from 0 to 9, mine go from 0 to 10. So this is how your sizing kit will come if you get your sizing kits from my website. Now what you want to do is always measure both hands. You want to measure your left hand as well as your right hand. Most of these sizes, the left hand is usually the same as the right hand, or like vice versa. The right hand is usually the same sizes as the left hand, but that is not always the case. It is for me, but it might be not for you. So you want to do both hands. This applies to all the sizing kits out there, either it's from my website or like from anyone else's website. You will get a sizing kit and this is basically what you will do. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So this is my sizing kit. I'm going to be using the long Coffin nail tips. I have like more than 10 shapes, so you can check out my Etsy and my website. Right now I'm just gonna do like this random long Coffin nail. So these are the sizes. So you basically want to just take each nail and measure on both your fingers, both your right and your left hand. I already know my sizes, so but for the sake of this video, I'm just trying to show you how you will achieve your best sizes. So right here I'm taking, this is a 00, it's supposed to be a 0, but yeah, I already know it's gonna be big for me. So I'll just for the sake of the video, just measure that. I know you can see like that it's really big, because you want to get a nail size that fits your nail bed like perfectly, like it doesn't go too big or like not too small. This one goes all the way back to my side walls here, so that's obviously too big for me. So I'm gonna get number 1 as well. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna measure. Of course that's too big for me, so you don't want to be like, oh, that's obviously too big for me. I'm just saying this because I already know my sizes. So some people are like, let's say 1 is a large, so if you're a large, this might fit to your finger, but you just want to make sure it doesn't go over your nail bed like mine does go, so that is not for me. I'm gonna do number 2, same thing. So you can see the sizes are getting smaller as we go. So still number 2 is a little bit big, so I'm gonna go to number 3. Now you can see number 3 fits. Now number 3 is my size on my thumbnail, so you can see it fits perfectly. It covers all the side walls of my nail bed. It doesn't go over my nail bed, it doesn't go to this meaty section right here. So I would say this is the perfect size, but you always want to still measure the rest, and you want to measure all fingers. So let's say this fits on a thumb, just try to measure if it fits on your index or your ring finger or anything. I know it doesn't for me, but you want to do that. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on my right hand, so you can see it fits perfectly on both my hands. So I'll put these aside. If you have a notepad or anything, you can just write down, or you can just arrange them. Okay, that is a thumb, from the thumb to the pinky. We're gonna go on to number 4. So again, you want to start from the thumb. Now you can see number 4 still fits even way better. You can see number 3 fits good, but compared to number 4, number 3 went above my side walls. You couldn't tell that. It's not really bad, but you see 4 fits just perfect, just perfectly. So you always want to measure all sizes, even if you already got your size. So I'm gonna put 4 and get 3 back. We are still gonna move on to number 5. Again, start from the thumb, but you can tell this one is really small. It is small. You don't want to press when you're sizing your nails, because then of course the nail will spread and you'll think it fits. Just put it slightly above, don't bend it or anything, just slide it down. If it fits perfectly and lays flat, that is your size. So we're gonna skip the thumb and we're gonna go to the index. We're gonna do the same thing. Now you can see number 5 is a little bit big for my index finger, so we're gonna move to the middle finger. Now you can see it fits just okay, it sits on top of my nail bed without me pushing it. You can tell it goes just a little bit over my nail bed. I'm gonna do the same for my right hand. You can see it's big as usual, and again the middle finger looks to fit, but again we're gonna try number 6 just in case. Numbers go from the smaller the number, the bigger the size, and the bigger the number, the smaller the size, if that makes sense. So we're gonna try on number 6 on our same middle finger. You can see number 6 fits just perfectly. it fits really perfect. But if you're in between, like some of these differences are like really tiny, like some of them you can be like, oh my god, number 5 and 6 just fits okay to me. If you have like that in between questioning, just go a size bigger. So for me, I would go to number 5, because when your nail artist paints the nails and put them in the lamp, depending on your design, the nails will shrink depending on the design. If it's a lot of design and the nail needs to go under the lamp, a lot of times the nail will shrink and it will go a size lower. So if you went a size bigger, you'll be of an advantage, so it will still fit perfectly to your size. So I would go with number 5 on my middle finger, although number 6 fit perfectly. But if you went to the UV light and it came out even smaller, by the time I get my nails in the mail, it will not fit again as how I measured. So I will just go number 5. So we're gonna start from again number 6 and measure our index. Now usually the index and the ring finger have the same sizes, but again, it might not be the case for you. So just make sure, don't do like, you know, what other people say. Just measure and see what works for you. So we're gonna do number 6 for the index, and you can see that fits just perfectly. And we are gonna do this for the middle finger. Again, as we said, it fit perfectly, but it has a chance to shrink when it goes under the lamp. So we're gonna skip that, and we're gonna measure the ring finger. So you can see it fits just the same as the index, but it is a little bit bigger on my ring finger. Like it goes just a little bit over my nail bed. So I'll put number 6 and I'll measure the same finger for my right hand. As you can see, it fits just okay. And I'll measure again with the index. As you can see, it's a little bit big, but not too big. So I'll put 6 as my index finger. We're gonna still measure number 7 to my index again, just to see what 6 and 7 fits. So you can see 7 fits just perfectly, but again, you wanna go a size bigger, just a little bit. It's not like a problem to go to your perfect sizes, which is even better. And you can see like 7 and 6 don't have that big of a difference. Like it's almost like the same thing. It's like a slight difference. And I'll try 7 on my ring finger because 6 seemed to be a little bit big. So you can see that fits okay. And I'll try the same on my right hand. You can see it fits just fine. So I'm gonna do 7 for my ring finger. So that is the middle, and I'll put 7 right there. So we're moving on to number 8. So we're gonna measure the ring finger again. You can see it fits okay, but it's gonna shrink in the lamp. So we already got a 7, which works just perfect. Now an 8 on my pinky is big, obviously, as you can see. Of course, I'm gonna do the same on my right hand. 8 is big, so we're gonna skip 8. We're gonna move to 9. So you can see 9 fits. It fits just on my nail bed, and it goes a little bit over my nail bed on this side, and on my right hand it is just about the same. So I'm gonna put 9 aside and try 10. So yeah, you can see like 10 fits just how I want. I usually just go the right size on my pinky because pinky is already smaller, so I'll just do 10 for the pinky, and you're done. So those are your sizes. In my case, for both my right and my left hand, I have the same size. So if you get, let's say a 4 is your thumb on your left, but it does not fit on your right, you can put like, this is my left hand and my right hand. But for me, they're all the same in both hands, which is mostly the case. Like your left hand is going to be the same size as your right hand. So you can send the numbers to your nail artist, and then she can proceed with the nails if you already had an order and you're waiting for the nail sizes. Let's say if you go to my website, I have the general sizes, like, you know, the universal sizes, like a small, medium, and large. So you can see where your numbers fall in that category. If they don't, then you can just choose custom and then put your numbers, like, you know, manually, like just put it from thumb to pinky. But if they fit in that category in my general sizes, you can then just choose. You can decide, oh, then this is a small, or then this is an extra small, or then this is a medium. So that is basically how you size your nails, and now you know your sizes. That is just all. That's all you have to do. And this is how my sizing kit is. And at the back, I also tell you how to size your nails. Like, I have instructions, so if you did not get a chance to watch this video, you're not gonna miss anything. You're still gonna see everything I talked about. I just summarize it in 4 simple steps, and it is just the same as what I just talked about in this video. Thank you guys again for watching my video. I hope you learned how to size your nails using a sizing kit. I really recommend a sizing kit rather than, you know, measuring yourself like with a tape. It is a good method, but not everyone has a tape, and it's not convenient, and not everyone is good with numbers. I'm not really good with numbers, so I would not tell my client to measure with a tape, because you just have to deal with like the millimeters and like stuff like that. To me, I think it's a lot. Just get a sizing kit. They're usually like $0 to like $5. My sizing kits are like $3 and $5 depending on the size you get. So I think a sizing kit is like the best way, or you can get a full set with all nails. So I will will paint 20 nails for you, so you can just size as you go. Like you size and then just pull your press on nails, you're good to go, so you don't have to like communicate back and forth. Just get a full set of 20 nails. They're a little bit expensive because then you get like, it's almost like 2 sets right there, so the price is of course for 2, but that is like the best way if you don't want to get a sizing kit. And also you get 2 sets of nails. I mean, who doesn't like that? So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you learned how to size your own nails using a sizing kit. I hope by the time you're watching this, my website is already launched, or it will be launched soon. But for now, you can check also my Etsy. I have an Etsy shop where I have all the nails and sizing kit right there, and I'll see you around. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.